To add members of your team as users to the platform, start by clicking the Admin button. Click the Users tab. You can click the Add button and then put in their information. Put in their position and click Create. Next, you'll want to select their role. You can select more than one, but please read the definitions as it'll explain the access and tools they'll be able to use. Next, you'll want to select their business card. If you select Personal Profile, it will pull the information from their personal user account. Please note that you will only be able to manage this profile until they personally claim that account. Once they claim it, they will have full control of their image and information. So for example, this user has claimed their account and you no longer have that button. Please note that the picture on the profile card that you pick will be displayed on your business page. So if you would like full control of the image, I would select Custom Business Card. At that point, you can upload whatever photo you would like to be displayed on your business page. So once again, click Custom Business Card, either upload or drag and drop their photo. If you need to edit in any way, click the Edit button and you can zoom in and zoom out to crop. Hit Save. Down below are the user's working hours. If you click the regular hours, these are connected to what are on your summary page for the business. So whatever you've put in, it will pull the information from here. If you'd like to put in very specific days and times, click Custom Working Hours and select the times that are appropriate and hit Save. Finally, up here on the top right are the business profile settings. If you'd like them to appear on your map profile, full profile, and website, you click List and Staff. If you'd like them to be able to accept bookings and accept chat, please check these off. What that means is when consumers come to your website and full profile, they'll be able to chat with them directly and book with them directly. If you do not want your users to have this function, please make sure to uncheck it. Please note that not having this checked is only for the public. You, as a business owner and vendor admin, will always be able to use our Pinpoint chat to talk to your team members. These buttons here are strictly for giving the public access to them.